To set up Geofence on a Xiaomi Smart Camera C100, you have to just go for that application and go for AI features. Now you will have to open that Geofence and click on this switcher. Now to set this up, we have to click here, and of course it will be set for current image, you have to remember. So let's say I want to set that fence, for example, in this specific area. And now you can, by the way, move it if you want by clicking here, and you can add multiple fence if you want. Then you have to click right here, it will set successfully, and over here you can find that surveillance scenes. So someone entered Geofence area or someone left it. So in my case I will go for the second option, and I'm gonna turn off if someone left this. So now if someone will move in this area, then you will receive some kind of the notifications. And here we can find that info that Geofence area will be shown in the live stream. So take a look. If I'm gonna go here, it will be visible just in this place, as you can see. So it's visible right now. If someone gonna pass that, then you will get those notifications.